all of the important parts, okay, especially those, yeah, already mentioned in the diagram, okay, or some things that is how the automatic photo booth. So you just describe it, okay. If the diagram represent a process, remember to use time clauses. And then if you look this, if you are not familiar with this photo booth, I think it's difficult, okay? Because, and also, I also just said, how about this one? I never go to the photo booth to have myself taken photo that's, okay? But at least you can describe this box, okay? With the a part of it, okay? And then remember to use time clauses to show the order in which things happened. And how can I know that this is the order? Because there is no number there, but at least you can describe that, okay? So if you look this picture, so this is a box, yeah? It calls automatic photo booth, okay? When you look this picture, how to operate this photo booth? Do you know how this photo booth work? You just go inside the photo booth, or you have to do something?
Insert coin.
Inserting coins first.
Insert the coin.
Good. So you have to insert coin first. Okay. So I think, can you change the name of automatic photo booth with others to paraphrase automatic photo booth?
That's quite difficult, Mom.
Okay. So you know that to operate this, you have to insert coin. Okay. So without coin, so the photo will not operate. Tidak
Coin
akan
machine photo booth.
Yes, you can say that coin operated. Yeah, you can say coin operated photo like that. Okay, but if you cannot find that, you still can use automatic photo booth. But if you want to paraphrase that, you can mention by coin. Yeah, coin operated. So this is a photo, yeah, which operated by inserting coin. So this is just a suggestion if you want to paraphrase that. Okay. Now please look, because this is a box. Okay. So how many parts that you can describe? So you know that this is the outer part and this is the inner part, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So you can describe the outer part and also the inner part. Yeah. So you can decide one paragraph, you can describe the outer part, and then one paragraph you can describe about the inner part, like that. Okay. So this is just a suggestion. Okay. And then can you start the photo without closing the curtain?
No.
No. Okay. So maybe the other part, how to operate this, don't forget you have to, this is must be closed when taking photos. Okay. So that is just your general part that you can do that. Okay. Yeah. Now, if you look from this part, the outer part, what kind of pictures or what kind of photo size that you can take? How many kind of photo size that you can take?
Two size.
Two size.
Size, excellent. So one large format, yeah, one large size, and the other is passport size. Okay, so this coin operated photo, yeah, can produce a large size photo and also a passport size photo. So this is, you already have to make an overview of this photo booth. And then after that, you can make a details. You can write the details of the outer part and the inner part, and then why the curtain should be closed. Okay, so that is the general information that you can do. But everybody maybe have your own how to describe that. Yeah, but at least you know that how to divide the content for each part and how do you divide the content of each paragraph if you want to do that. Okay? Yes?
Ma'am,
Yeah. Yeah.
so in this kind of task one,
Mhm.
we jadi tetap harus ada general overview-nya juga ya, Ma'am?
Ya, minimal tadi kan udah paraphrase dulu kan. Ini diagramnya tentang apa. Makanya jangan buru-buru langsung nulis gitu ya. Oke. Kira-kira ini foto booth yang bagaimana ya? Gitu. Ya memang sih kalau kita nggak familiar agak susah ya, benar nggak? Tapi kalau dari lihat di sini kan bisa nih one large format of berarti foto booth ini bisa memproduksi 2 jenis ukuran foto, ukuran besar dan ukuran paspor. Tergantung pilihan kita ya, betul nggak? There are 2 buttons here. Ada 2 buttons kan di sini?
Yes.
2 buttons.
Oh, 2 buttons.
So that's it. So it's really tricky ya. Really ada 2 button di sini nih. Bagi saya kelihatannya.
Yeah, I missed that.
Ya? Okay, so this is the big button one, and then this is the small button one. Okay, below the insert, below the insert coin. Yeah, the hole to insert the coin. Okay, and also maybe just a general term, whether you want to use color or black and white. Okay, so you can mention that. What is the automatic photo booth produce? Okay, so the size, and also you can select whether you want to make a color or black and white photo. So this can become an overview. And then after that, you describe the photo booth in detail. How to describe? Okay, for this diagram, yeah, because there are 2 parts that you can describe, the outer part and the inner part. And maybe, and then at the end, you can start that, how to take the photo. Don't forget, close the curtain. Right? Yeah. And then when you close the curtain, so the photo will be delivered within 60 seconds. Okay? And there is no specific rules for the diagram because it will depend on the diagram itself. Ya, tidak ada spesifik, but at least that when you look the picture, try to get the whole pictures of this one. So how can I describe this picture? Oh yeah. So all this part is in the outer part, and this part is the inside part. Okay. So this maybe another picture will have a different way in describing. So it will depend on the diagram. Okay. Yeah. Yes. 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 I myself don't have experience. Even there is in a supermarket, yeah, sell photo, but I have never been in that box. Saya belum pernah masuk ke dana. Yeah, so maybe if you have experience, at least you have a knowledge. So that's why sometimes when we run, so that's it for millennials. Okay, but I think when I look this and then I have to try it. I have to try it. Okay, so I will know that at least that it's similar. Yeah, but you do not. I think it's not necessary to tell about the process, right? Because it's not telling about the process. Ya, tidak ada urutan 1, 2, 3, nggak ada kan ya? Okay, nggak ada urutan. But I think from this one, and also if you have a background knowledge on that, maybe you can know that. The first one, maybe you have to insert the coin first, then before you get inside, right? And then choose. Yeah, whether you want to take a photo for large size or for passport size. And then whether you want to choose for color or black white. I don't know which one's coming first because there is no number here. Yeah, no number which one comes first. Okay, but photo delivered, this will be the end. Okay, and after that you can tell about the inner part. Okay, and then when you look at the chair, so what kind of chair is it?
Adjustable
chair.
Adjustable chair. So it will depend on the height, yeah, of the person who want to take the photos. For me, maybe I have to increase the level. Yeah, because I'm very low. Karena saya pendek for that and short. Okay, so maybe I have to increase the level of the chair. Okay, but don't forget, whatever the height, then it should be in the eye level. So this is the eye level to have a good pictures. Okay, so all the part here. So what is the functions of the mirror based on your experience?
To make sure our performance.
Yes, yeah.
Grooming.
Our
Make sure what has
Groom.
we
Yeah.
have a good appearance.
Good. So maybe before you sit down, look first at the mirror, okay? And then just tidy up your appearance, okay? So because there's no function here, but maybe we can make it.
So, ma'am,
Yes?
excuse me, this type of task also make me quite not sure, because should I put only the components,
Mhm.
like you said, that inner and outer, or should I tell about the process also? Because in this
I
part,
don't think. I don't think it is not a process. If there is a process, there will be a number then. Which one comes first? But it is just on our what? Our logic thinking. Yeah, our logic thinking. Yeah, I think. Which one comes first? You insert the coin first, and then you go inside, or you go inside and then you take a photo and then you insert the coin. Logic thinking. Because there is no number which come first. Tidak ada nomornya kan, mana yang datang lebih dulu.
But ma'am,
but
Yes.
the sentence part,
I thought the picture contains both process and features, because it also consists of verb like wait,
wait for light,
deliver.
Yeah, yeah. So you can have a process in here then. Yeah, when you want to click the what? This is wait for light single flash after 3 seconds. Okay, so after you sit down and then your face is already, your eyes is already in the eye level, you already adjust the chair, yeah, or the stool. Okay, and then when click, maybe you can, I don't know, it seems that from this picture it seems that you have to drag, yeah, the rope, yeah, and then wait for the light single flash after 3 seconds, and then after that splash splash, maybe like that, yeah, and then the picture's already taken. Yeah, so it can be, so that is like a mix there. But you know that this is just like a logic thinking, because there is no number here which come first. Usually if there's a process, there is an arrow which come first and then go to when, right? Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, so that's it.
Yeah, but there are some verbs that
Yeah.
make me think that this is process, maybe.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, it can be. Yeah, because the last is the photo can be taken, yeah, from the what, this one, a slot or a kind of what, this is what you call this one,
That's right.
so what you call this? It's like a slot or so you get the photo deliver outside the what, a particular place. So I don't know how to call this one. Okay, like a tray, yeah, seperti baki. You can mention that then, yeah, the thing. So this is the last step, yeah. So it is a combinations between some. When you take the photo, is a kind of a process. Okay.
Is there any maximum words for last one, ma'am?
A maximum what?
Words, number of words.
Oh yes, 150.
The maximum?
No. Oh, the maximums? No. But I think if you write too many words, your time will not enough to do the other task then. Okay. Yeah, but at least, as I said that, when the minimum word is 150, so at least you write 150, or maybe 190 is still okay. 190. Yeah, so the most important one that you really describe the diagram. You really describe the diagram. So if you write 190, but the word or what you describe is nothing, so maybe the score will not be high. Ya, skornya juga tidak akan tinggi kalau yang dijelaskan hanya sering kali itu repetition ya, pengulangan udah disebutkan diulangi lagi. Of course, the number of the word will reach the minimum, but maybe the content is not good, and like that. Okay, Bapak Ibu. Yeah. Okay, so that is the general view that maybe I can explain to you. Yeah. So there is no fixed rule on that, but when you do a kind of a writing task, such kind like this, a diagram or pictures, maybe you have to think. Yeah, you have to think how I divide this. Yeah, into a good paragraph, or which one I have to describe by using a theme. Yeah, so by using your logic thinkings, maybe before you go inside, you will look at the outer part, right? Logic thinkingnya kan sebelum masuk pasti akan lihat bagian luar dulu. Yeah, and after that you come to the inner part, like that. Okay, maybe the different picture we have a different. Okay, for example, like this, if you want to describe a room, yeah, if there is a diagram of a room, ada gambar denah ruangan, for example. How do you start in describing a room? Dari mana kita mulai mendeskripsikan suatu ruangan?
From its entrance.
So that's it. Logiknya kan, kita pasti mulai dari pintu masuk dulu dong, oke? Okay? Not suddenly you describe the inner, right? Nggak tiba-tiba kita mendeskripsikan bagian dalam dulu, loh. Masuknya dari mana dulu, oke? Okay? So maybe you can start from the door. So this is just my suggestions, yeah. How do you organize the idea in describing a diagram? Gitu. Yeah, maybe other have other suggestions, but I think this is how to organize. Sometimes what make us confused is which one I have to describe. Mana dulu yang harus saya jelaskan when you start writing, right? Did you experience that? Yeah.
I get confused first when how to arrange.
So that's it. Ya, jadi kita harus pelan-pelan dulu. Jadi itu saya juga alamin. Mana dulu yang harus saya jelaskan, gitu ya? Logic thinking-nya aja dimasukin. Kalau this is a room, from where I can enter the room? Oh, from the door. Okay, so I will start explaining from the entrance. Saya akan mulai dari bagian entrance dulu, and then I divide that supaya berurut ya. Mau from left side, right side, atau sebaliknya, atau from north to south, kan gitu ya? Or mau berkeliling. Tapi tidak celok-celok gitu loh. Habis pojok sini, pindah ke pojok sana, balik lagi ke pojok sini, gitu kan, enggak kan? Ya, itu jadi si examinernya ketika, nggak usah examiner lah, orang lain yang membaca tulisan Bapak Ibu pasti bisa mengikuti. Karena orang yang membaca kan belum tentu dia punya diagramnya. Ya, kalau examiner pasti punya gambarnya. Tapi andai kata teman Bapak Ibu yang membaca tulisan Bapak Ibu, dia kan bisa imagine gitu. Kalau bisa imagine dan bisa menggambarkan, minimal mirip lah dengan gambar soal, wah berarti tulisannya Bapak Ibu description-nya very good. Ya, so that's is task 1. Ya. Jadi how do you describe so the reader can understand and at least have similar picture as what you describe in your writing. Paling tidak punya kemiripan gambar seperti itu. I think that is from my opinion. Okay, in doing that. Okay, Bapak Ibu? Yes? Ya, mudah-mudahan ini kebetulan dapat gambar yang kayak gini. Nanti gambar yang lain akan mungkin berbeda lagi. Tapi tadi ya, kita pakai logic thinking. And of course, if you have a background knowledge of using this, that will be helpful. Kalau kita sudah punya pengalaman menggunakan photo booth seperti ini, minimal kita bisa membayangkan. Oke, Bapak Ibu? Yeah. Okay, so now I think it's come to caranya gimana ya? How I divide this? So how about the others yang tidak? overall, there are several steps to take a self photo with this self-driven machine. Okay, self-driven machine. First, go to the front side of the machine to find the machine's button to begin the process. Second, insert some coins to the machine's hole. Oh, that's a good one. Okay. Then choose the format and the color of the photo that you want by pressing the button. Okay. Yeah. Be mind, although that American or British, it doesn't matter. But I think if you can use consistently, that will be good. Ya, kita mau pilih American atau British nggak jadi masalah. But you already use a British English here, COLOUR, but and then you, oh this is also sorry, colored, right? Okay. Oh, mata saya kok jadi agak. Yeah, okay. Colors or black and white. That is one of the photo that you want by pressing the button. You can press the upper button to get one large photo. You can press the upper button to get one large photo, or press the lower button to get 4 passport size photos. Oh, that's great. Third, enter the machine room. Okay. Yeah. Don't forget to close the curtain and get ready with the mirror. Okay. Get ready with the mirror. Okay.
Mengaca gitu maksud saya.
Okay. Tapi why you have to get ready with the mirror? Yeah. Don't forget to close the curtain and get ready. Okay. So maybe you can say like it. Don't forget to close the curtain. Okay. So the mirror is provided there. Yeah. Just to check your appearance or the appearance. Okay.
So the mirror. Apa Miss? Maaf Miss, saya ketik.
Don't forget to close the curtain. Ini kan udah bagian ini terpisah, nggak ada hubungannya dengan mirror ya. Don't forget to close the curtain.
Oh iya.
Okay. Okay. Atau sebetulnya kalau bisa, okay, don't forget to close the curtain. Okay, before when taking photos mungkin bisa ditekan. Okay. When taking. Don't forget to close the curtain. Okay, before taking the photos, maybe when-nya nggak usah kan udah ada before. Before taking the photos.
Sorry.
Okay.
The photos.
You can say that you can check your appearance by looking at the mirror provided. Ya kan? By looking. Yeah, at the mirror provided. Okay, nah itu kayaknya kalau get ready with the mirror kan, kenapa harus get ready with the mirror? Then you can sit in the stall, okay? That you can sit in the stall that you can adjust to synchronize your eye with the eye level. You can adjust to synchronize your eye level. Nah, gitu aja. Eye level. Iya. Your eye level. Here. Good. To get ready, pull down the rope which hanging on the light. Excellent. Yeah, to get ready, pull down the rope which hanging on the light, then wait for 3 seconds until the light single flash. Good. Until the light single flash. Finally, you can exit and wait the photo to print out. And wait the photo to print out. Yang print out fotonya atau mesinnya?
Mesinnya ya, mesinnya.
Kecuali gini, kalau kecuali mau pakai foto and wait the photo to be printed out. Ya nggak? Kan
iya.
di print. Yeah. To be printed. Ya, pakai ed printed out. Ya. From the side, in the outer side aja ya, atau bisa juga in the outer side of the booth. Okay, ya, ini nggak usah lah, ya hilangin aja. Okay, there is a box that will emit the photo within 30 seconds. Okay, great. Great. Okay, so okay, you mentioned this like a process, yeah. Okay, it can be like a process when you can do that correctly, Ya, kita tahu mana yang
Yes.
bagian. Gitu. But if you don't know the process which come first, kalau kita tidak tahu prosesnya mana yang datang lebih dulu, you can start from describing the part in the altar, ya, and then describing the part.
Yeah.
But I think that's good one. This is good because you know the process. Okay. Walaupun di sini nggak ada urutan 1, 2, 3, 4-nya ya. Biasanya kalau proses ada urutan dan ada panah-panahnya.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's good. Great, Ibu. Okay.
Oh iya. Oke.
I can give you 6.
Thank you, Miss.
5.
Wow.
Good, good.
Thank you,
Ya,
Miss.
prosesnya bagus sekali. Good.
Mam,
Yes.
sejauh ini kelihatannya dari kami itu belum ada yang mencapai nilai 7 untuk
Ya.
writing.
Ya.
Kira-kira apa ya yang perlu kami tingkatkan supaya
Ya.
dapat 7?
Saya dapat 7 gini. 7 itu kan pertama kali logisnya udah masuk ya. Logisnya udah masuk tadi. Tidak ada
Yes.
kesalahan spelling minimal. Kalau ada pun sedikit gitu ya. Kecuali spelling yang kadang-kadang spelling yang masih meaningnya masih masuk nggak jadi masalah. Kadang-kadang masih bisa dimaklumi gitu ya. Kekurangan S sedikit misalnya gitu ya, atau kelebihan tuh kadang-kadang masih sepanjang meaningnya bisa dimasukkan. Grammar,
Yes.
ya, grammar. Logic tadi ya, logic urutannya seperti itu kita. Kemudian tadi sayang sekali saya udah baca ya, karena saya udah lihat diagramnya. Andai kata saya belum lihat diagramnya, and then I can understand your descriptions. Yeah, I think that is a good description one. Yeah, so that's why when you write, please be in the reader side. Kalau kita menulis, buatlah kita berada di sisinya pembaca, jangan di sisi kita. Kalau di sisi kita ya kita tahu, karena pikirannya dari kita. Oke? Tapi bagaimana we can write clearly, of course, and then you give the information correctly based, on the materials, and then it is understandable, readable. Maybe you can get 7. Okay? Ya, Ibu contoh tadi Ibu apa tadi Pak Buki, Bu Eka tadi ya, Bu Eka, I think that's a good one, gitu ya. Hanya tadi kekurangan Bu Eka satu tadi, lokasi ya Bu.
Ya.
Lokasi tadi bagian-bagian tadi kan yang pertama kali kan proses memang ya. Tapi lokasinya ada di mana tadi Ibu punten? Udah disebutkan nggak bahwa lokasi itu ada di bagian luar gitu nggak? Did you mention that is in
di bagian samping gitu sih Bu?
Oh bagian samping ya. Samping mana? Samping dalam atau samping luar?
Nah.
Itu kan betul nggak?
Pak.
Ya prosesnya ya, Ibu bisa buka lagi nanti. Prosesnya mungkin Bu Eka sudah oke, gitu ya. Tapi letak bagian itu ada di mana?
Ya.
Betul nggak Bu Eka? Kalau saya
benar,
tidak melihat, if I didn't see the picture, maybe I will think that it is all the button is in the inside of the booth or outside the booth. Betul nggak Bu?
Betul Bu. Ya.
Gitu.
Jadi gini ya Bu, ketika membaca tulisan kita bayangin sebagai orang lain paham dengan isi tulisan kita gitu ya.
Iya, cobalah. Look from the reader side. Look from the reader side. Gitu. Karena yang membaca kan reader nanti. Kita yang menulis tahu karena pikiran ada di kita. Ya, coba nanti Bapak Ibu itu tulisan Bapak Ibu dibaca 1 tahun kemudian atau berapa bulan kemudian. Do you still remember the picture? Dari tulisannya Bapak Ibu sendiri. Okay, if you still remember and then you can draw again, the diagram similar to the materials, berarti Ibu masih punya. Oh, ini penjelasannya jelas gitu. Oke, Bu? Ya tadi Bu Ega yang belum jelas tadi letak-letak tadi. Part-part itu diletakkan ada di mana gitu. Oke, hanya side-side-nya itu di mana? Karena kan di dalam juga bisa ada bagian sisi kan? Di inner part ada bagian sisi di dalam betul gitu. Tapi ini bahwa tadi pilihan button, insert coin-nya itu semua ada di outer part dari box itu.
Outer part. Oke.
Iya kan? Jadi orang punya kebayangan, oh iya berarti sebelum masuk gitu ya, atau in the side-nya di mana di outer part, at the side ya. Side of the box misalnya, inside of the box. side ya, di sisi sampingnya. Oke, Bu?
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, okay, next.
Ma'am, should I share screen or copy in the chat box?
I think it's better to share screen then.
Okay,
It's better.
let me share my screen.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen, ma'am?
Yes, yes. The picture provide informations about main part and mechanism of self-taken photos in automatic photo booth. Okay. There are several parts in photo booth, in the photo booth, okay, and step by step to take a photo automatically by the customer. Customernya berapa? By, kalau mau dibuat banyak, by customers atau by a customer, nah gitu ya. There are some important elements within the booth. Okay. Ibu, within. Do you know the meaning of within?
Di dalam maksudnya.
Okay. Within itu inside the range of limit, inside something. The noise seems to be coming from within the building. Okay. Iya, oke, bisa from within the building. Okay. Within the booth to help customers for taking a self photograph, namely mirror, sign paper. Oh, sign paper. What do you mean by sign paper, Ibu? What do you mean by sign?
Kertas yang ada tandanya gitu.
Do you think it is a paper?
Oh, I don't know exactly.
Okay. Okay. So if you don't know, don't put this. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Karena kita nggak tahu sign paper ya. Tapi you can say that a sign for, katakan to have eye level, misalnya gitu malah. Tapi kalau paper kita belum tahu ini paper atau bukan. Karena nggak disebutkan di sini. Ya. To direct users eye level. Okay. You can say there are some important elements within the booth to help customer for taking. Okay. Okay, curtain to cover booth from outside light, and adjustable stool for customer to sit. In the auto part of photo booth, there is automatic printer which can be set in black and white of color. Okay, Bu, sebagian bisa dipahami gitu ya. But kalau secara berurutan, Ibu masuk dulu baru keluar atau di luar dulu diselesaikan kemudian masuk?
Iya, harusnya di luar dulu ya.
Iya, karena kan harus insert dulu ya Bu, harus pilih dulu, betul nggak?
Nggak tahu.
Selesaiin dulu bagian luar gitu, selesaiin dulu bagian luarnya gitu. Walaupun nanti kembali keluar lagi kan, karena fotonya kan jadi ada di bagian luar kan, betul nggak? Tapi
iya.
Urut gitu loh, urut bahwa di luar apa yang harus kita lakukan dulu gitu ya, bagian-bagian. Di bagian luar ada apa aja dan apa dilakukan dulu untuk bagian luar sebelum kita masuk ke dalam. Tadi gabungan antara punya Pak Syarif dengan gabungan punya Bu Eka itu nanti bisa menghasilkan 7 ya. Kenapa? Ya? Ya? Oh gitu ya. Tapi itu yang saya mungkin juga ya. Tapi saya nggak tahu ini. Makanya saya ya itu makanya saya delete tadinya kan bingung ya. Karena ini kan kalau dibilang proses tapi nggak ada nomor mana yang harus kita lakukan dulu, betul nggak? Nah, kalau dibagi folder kan kedua. Mewakili aktivitas di luar. Nah, itu yang bagus. Itu yang bagus. Ceritakan dulu bagian gitu loh. Ya. Saya juga nggak tahu prosesnya mana yang dulu gitu, tapi rasanya begitu cekrek, bagaimana dia bisa menjalankan kalau koinnya belum atau koinnya dulu baru insert gitu ya? Gimana ya? Saya juga so in your experience, so which one? You have to insert.
Duanya ada, Bu.
Ada dua-duanya ya?
Saya pernah
Ya.
pernah yang koin dulu atau yang terakhir itu pernah dua-duanya sih, Bu.
Oh, oke, ya, udah nggak jadi masalah kalau misalnya bisa kayak gitu ya. Oke. In the outer part of the photo booth, ya kalau memang bisa kayak gitu nggak jadi masalah. In the outer part of photo booth, there is an automatic printer which can be set in black and white colors. Okay. Procedure to take photo is started from a customer turning on the lamp. The eye should follow the sign in front of his face. Okay. The eyes, a sign in front. Sign-nya dari mana ya, Bu? Sign.
Eye levelnya itu.
Oh, eye levelnya.
Iya.
Okay. Sign in front of his face. The curtain must be closed while customer takes a photo to block outside light. Nah, ini kan jadinya mungkin harusnya curtainnya tadi ditutup dulu. Ini kan jadi celak-celak ya, Bu, apa? Ceritanya celak-celak gitu loh.
Iya, harusnya curtainnya ditutup baru.
Gitu.
lem.
Nah, baru nanti siap-siap gitu. Mungkin curtainnya ditutup dulu supaya nggak lupa, and then look at the mirror dulu, appearance-nya gimana. Betul nggak, Bu? Kalau you can do that in good order, ya, itu bisa dipahami dengan baik. Oke, ini kan udah pakai ini ya, Bu ya. Dari sini terus ke outer, bicara printer gitu ya. Padahal fotonya juga belum mulai gitu. There are some important element within the booth to help. Oke, saya baca dulu nanti. Curtain to cover outside, adjustable. In the outer part of the photo booth, there is an automatic printer. Oke. In the part ya, di outernya hanya automatic printer, tapi buttonnya Ibu nggak sebutkan ya, Bu ya? Button yang lain.
Enggak.
Di paragraf ini Ibu membagi antara bagian-bagian, paragraf kedua, paragraf ketiga, prosesnya. Betul nggak, Ibu?
Iya, betul.
Iya. Tapi di bagian kedua, tidak semua elemen bagian dalam dan bagian luar diceritakan. Betul nggak, Bu?
Iya.
Gitu.
Lewat.
Coba kalau Ibu misalnya mau membagi seperti itu, bisa. Bagian dalam, bagian luar, atau apa, nggak mau dalam dulu atau luar dulu, karena prosesnya seperti itu, oke. Yang penting bagian dalam komplitin dulu, ada apa aja, bagian luar ada apa aja, ya itu udah bisa satu paragraf. Oke, jadi temanya, the second paragraph is telling about the element, ya, in the outer and inner part of the booth, betul nggak? Okay, and then the last paragraph is the step how to take the photo, right? Okay, procedure to take the photo tentunya, nah kalau bisa sih curtain must be closed while customer takes the photo to block outside. To print the photograph, the eyes should. Ini kan Ibu langsung procedure to take the photo start by turning on the lamp. The eye should follow the sign in front of his face. Okay, so what is the adjustable seat?
Enggak ada.
Enggak ada. Jadi kehilangan satu. Padahal adjustable seat, stool atau chair itu justru yang akan membuat eye level. Betul nggak? Iya. Ketinggalan satu ya. Tinggalan satu.
Sama flashlight-nya juga belum.
Flashlight-nya belum. Ya, jadi banyak ada dua elemen yang ketinggalan. Oke, the curtain must be closed, dan idenya masih ini, Bu. Belum runut. Oke? Cara menceritakannya belum in good order. Belum in good order. To register a passport, it should be in colorful printing. Nah, nih Ibu, sekarang kalimat yang terakhir, Bu. If a customer want to make a photo to register a passport, it should be in colorful printing. Atau sudah di-set, tadi kan kalau Pak Syarif sudah di-set ke colorful. Kalau di sini kesannya Ibu masih bisa memilih antara black and white dengan color.
Iya.
Gitu, Bu. Oke?
Iya.
Ya, padahal di sini, sorry. Passport photo should be color. Sorry. Color kita setnya ya. Kalau kita pilih pasport berarti kita, sorry Bu, punten. Saya pikir udah otomatis. It can be printed in color or black. If a customer want to make a photo to register a passport, it should be, sorry Bu, betul. It should be colorful printing. Finally, photos can be delivered within 60 minutes. 60 minutes, Ibu? 1 hour? Ibu.
Typo. Bukan
60
typo.
seconds.
60 second.
Oh, sorry.
Ibu ya, hati-hati Bu.
Oh,
Minit
iya.
dengan second beda jauh loh. Wow,
Beda.
kelamaan nunggunya. Nanti yang ngantri udah panjang. Okay, be careful, Bu. Be careful. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Bu. I think I'll give you 5 this for this, Bu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please. Thank
Okay.
you.
So what you have to
Okay.
keep in mind tadi ya, Bu? How you try to describe that in good order, in good sequence. Ya. Deskripsikan dengan urutan yang bagus. Gitu ya. Urutannya. And then don't forget to put seperti dikatakan di sini ya, di dalam tips. Ya. So don't forget to include all of the important parts. All of the important parts gitu. Bahkan mirror sebetulnya nggak jadi important ya, kalau orang sudah saya mau tampil apa adanya, maybe it's not necessary to look at the mirror dong. Benar nggak? Karena mirror kan di situ tidak berhubungan dengan proses pengambilan foto kan?
Yes.
Ya gitu loh. Yang important justru tadi flashlight-nya, eye level-nya, jangan lupa curtain-nya harus di close, itu hal-hal yang penting di situ justru. Seperti itu. Oke?
Ma'am, berarti kalau kita bingung urutannya bagaimana, berarti sebenarnya amannya kita sebutkan bagian dan fungsinya aja gitu ya. Jadi body pertama itu bagian luar, body kedua itu bagian dalam, gitu
Iya.
aja.
Iya. Karena kalau di sini kan dia hanya bilang summarize the information by selecting and reporting. Dia tidak mengatakan di sini proses ya. Betul nggak?
Iya, betul.
Gitu. Bagian luar ada ini, bagian dalam ada ini. Tapi kita bisa tahu bagaimana, minimal secara logik kita tahu cara kerjanya ya. Dari I think from the descriptions of each element ya kita tahu. Misalnya contohnya curtain. So what is the function of the curtain? Must be closed when taking photos. Oke. Kita udah bilang, don't forget to close the curtain. Ya. Before taking the photos gitu. Karena kalau nggak berhasil, kalau nggak. Padahal tanpa dikatakan kenapa, Ibu di sini sudah menjelaskan ya. Di sini kan Ibu jelaskan. The curtain must be closed while customer takes a photo to block outside light, gitu. Ya, ini kan keterangan tambahan dari Ibu ya, betul nggak?
Iya.
Di gambar ini kan nggak dijelaskan bahwa kenapa kita tutup tapi to block. Padahal Ibu tutup bilang aja, don't forget to close when taking photos. Ngikutin diagram ini aja tanpa kenapa harus ditutup misalnya.
Oh, oke.
Itu sudah oke sebetulnya. Sudah oke. Jadi jelaskan seperti apa yang dijelaskan ada di sini. Tapi ditambah ini ya nggak jadi masalah. Ya, to block outside light. Oke. Ya, ini bagus malah to block outside light kita bisa tambahkan. Seperti itu. Oke, Bapak Ibu. Nah, seperti misalnya gini, wait for light single flash after 3 seconds. Ini penting banget. Kenapa? Kenapa we have to wait the light single flash for 3 seconds? Kenapa? Nggak perlu disebutkan kenapa, tidak perlu. Tetapi ini fungsinya penting. Why? Kira-kira?
As indicator that the camera will take a picture?
Yes, that is indicator that the camera take the picture properly. Yeah? Because when you do not wait until 3 seconds, you just pull the rope, and after that you stand up. Nanti yang ke foto badannya, bukan wajahnya. Oke? Tapi kita tidak perlu memberikan reason-nya. Karena di sini tidak disebutkan reason-nya, itu kan hanya logic thinking kita aja kan. Seperti itu. Ya nggak Bapak Ibu? Tapi this is the important element, bahwa light single flash that after 3 seconds, makanya disebutkan di dalam diagramnya. So this is a very important element. Gitu. Eye level juga important element. Curtain, kenapa must be closed, itu juga important element. Ya. Mirror sebetulnya kan hanya mau cek aja appearance kita seperti apa, gitu kan ya. Kalau orang, udahlah apa adanya, mungkin. Tapi mirror juga tersedia if you want to check your appearance misalnya, atau just to comb your hair, or just to tidy make up your makeup or something like that. Oke, Bapak Ibu?
Oke.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, oke. Kalau yang outside part penting semua nggak Bapak Ibu?
Penting semua kelihatan.
Penting semua. Ya. Jadi untuk size fotonya penting, select the The color of the photo, whether the color or black and white itu juga penting, ya, semua penting. Gitu. Disebutkan semua lebih bagus lagi karena diagramnya menunjukkan, disebutkan di situ. Ya, tentunya rata-rata in general orang mau foto biasanya rapi-rapiin misalnya. Gitu. Walaupun sebetulnya mirror itu tidak melupakan sesuatu ya, nggak mengaca pun, asal kita tarik flash itunya, light-nya, fotonya jadi kan sebetulnya gitu. Betul nggak Bapak Ibu? Itu logic thinking-nya aja. Ya, oke. Is it my explanation is understood? Can be.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's clear.
Okay. Okay, we still have maybe 1 minute to go, but it doesn't matter. Maybe one more.
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, Pak Marzuki. The diagram, okay. The diagram, Bapak, Ilas. The diagram illustrates. Jangan lupa pakai S. Okay, because the diagram is only single. So yeah, the features of an automatic photo booth, which allows the user to take a large or passport size photo. Good, large or passport. Overall, a number of steps should be followed to operate the photo booth to get photograph. To get a photograph juga ya, to get atau photographs, gitu ya. Photographs. Ya, ini countable uncountable-nya using the article. First, the user must insert coin. Nah, di sini tadi Pak siapa ya Pak yang lupa tadi menanyakan. Di sini pakai bentuk aktif ya karena kita pakai the user, gitu ya. Tadi kalau yang mau pakai coin dimasukkan, gitu ya. Coin must be inserted. Nah, pakai pasif, dua-duanya sama. The user must insert coin. Oke, koinnya ada kalau misalnya coin atau dalam kurung coins gitu ya. Ikutin. Kalau mau aman pakai plural gitu. Kalau mau aman. Soalnya kalau enggak coin itu kan bisa a coin, berarti cuma satu gitu ya. Atau coins gitu ya. Into the slot from outside. Okay, from outside. Okay, then there are buttons below to allow the user to select photo size. Bapak, penggunaan then di sini untuk apa, Pak? Pak Marzuki?
Masih mute Pak Marzuki.
Oh, Pak Marzuki. Pak Marzuki, why you use then here, Pak Marzuki? Pak Marzuki.
To show the next step.
Okay, good. To show the next step, it means that to show the action, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, if you continue from this, first, the user must insert coin. Ini action pertama, insert coin, ya, insert. Enaknya bilang insert coins, gitu ya, atau mau insert a coin, ya, karena coin bisa dihitung, ya, into the slot from outside. Okay. Then, nah, berarti action kedua. Action kedua apa, Pak? Action.
Press the button maybe.
Gitu. Ya, harusnya. Kalau ini kan Bapak menjelaskan ada button di situ. Harusnya then, ya, press the button below di mana? Ya, below the apa ini namanya? Below the there are-nya jangan, Pak. Ya, karena kan kita mau menunjukkan then-nya jadi di sini cocok, Pak. Jadi then di sini merupakan second action, gitu kan ya, Pak ya? Then press the buttons. The buttons, Pak, pakai the karena buttons-nya udah tertentu di situ. Press the buttons. Ya. The buttons below. Gitu. To select. Nah, allow-nya hilangin aja, Pak. to allow the usernya hilangin. Ini slide-nya, nah tadi udah. Oke, usernya hilangin Pak. User hilangin sampai T. Sampai tuh. Iya. Nah, to select ya the photo size and sekalian aja Pak. Okay. Nah, to select the photo size. Okay. Passport size photos are issued in color with 4 copies, whereas the large photo will be printed in single. Okay. Next, the user can select a color or black. Okay. Bapak di sini sudah bilang color ya Pak. Di sini Bapak udah bilang color nih Pak. Di passport size gitu ya Pak. Nah, kenapa Bapak nggak gabung aja sebenarnya di sini? Then press the buttons below to select the photo size, ya, and ya, apa? The color and the what? And the color atau photo size. Nah, atau gini Pak, to select the photo size. Oke, N-nya dilangin aja dulu Pak. N-nya dilangin dulu, N-nya dilangin. Iya. A passport photo size are issued in color with 4 copies, whereas the large photos. Oke. Ini ya tadi otomatis ya. Karena kalau sini color or black and white. Passport photo should be color. Should be color. With 4 copies, whereas the large photo will be printed in single. Next, the user can select color or black and white theme. But the passport size photo. Nah, ini Bapak 2 kali ya Pak keluarnya ya Pak. Nih Pak, but the passport size photos must be in color. Sebelumnya Bapak udah memunculkan juga. Passport size photos are issued in color. So there is a repetition. Ada 2 kali ya Pak. Okay. Nah, my suggestion is, why don't you choose this one? So the buttons below to select the photo size and the themes of the color. Or the color themes, misalnya. Di sini, Pak. Iya. Of the color. Oke. Ya. Kemudian, passport size photos are issued in color with 4 copies, whereas the large photos printed in single. Next, the user. Udah, kalau gitu ini hilangin aja. Iya. Jadi nggak 2 kali. Oke, good. Inside the booth, there is a seat that can be modified to keep. Oke, modified. Kalau modified itu seatnya diubah, Pak. Oh iya. Jadi lebih cocok di adjust kayaknya, Pak. Untuk level atau set gitu juga bisa ya. Adjust ya. Adjust. That can be adjusted. Good. To keep the eye level in the centers of the arrows. In the centers of the arrows. Inside, in the centers. Oh, okay. Inside the booth, there is a seat that can be adjusted to keep the eye level. To keep the eye level. Mungkin bukan in the centers of the arrows ya Pak. Mungkin by eye levelnya kita bisa lihat bahwa kita di eye level itu dari tanda yang ada di depan kan ya Pak?
Yes.
Okay, so there is a seat that can be adjusted to keep the eye level by looking at the arrow. Okay, you can say by looking at the centers of the arrow, by looking at, iya. Nah, cuman the centers of the arrow-nya ini ada di mana gitu misalnya. Misalnya gitu loh Pak. Benar nggak Pak? By looking at the centers of the arrow in front of the in front of the face atau by facing the sign, bisa Pak? Mungkin gini Pak. to keep the eye level by facing, by-nya looking at by facing, yeah, the sign in front. Oke, in front-nya di, ya, titik. Jadi ada sign di depan kita gitu loh Pak, ya kan? Oke. Looking at the center of the ray bisa diilangi. Oke. Oke. To check the user appearance. Nah, ini kan ketinggalan ya, Pak. Udah cek eye level. Baru ngaca gitu ya, Pak ya.
Yes.
Oke. Sebaiknya ini duluan justru, Pak. I think it's better kita lihat dulu ngaca baru kita set up gitu. Nanti udah kita gini-gini kesenggol eye levelnya berubah lagi nanti. Betul nggak, Pak?
Yes.
So I think urutannya, so ini harusnya put first gitu loh. Jadi sebelum tadi Pak, sebelum adjusted seat ya Pak ya. So inside the booth, okay, to check the user appearance, a mirror can be used. Okay. Nah ini dipindahkan justru. Iya. Nah sebelum seat Pak, belum inside the booth. Inside the booth, iya masukin. Oke, titiknya ada dengan huruf kecil ya Pak, T-nya ya. To check the user appearance, a mirror can be used. Oke, kemudian titik. Can be used titik. Ya. T-nya, there is a seat that can be adjusted to keep the eye level by facing the sign in front. After that, the curtain should be closed before capturing the photo. Good. After this, the user has to pull the rope of lamp and wait for 3 seconds. Jangan lupa Pak, 3 seconds. Yeah. In order to light flash. Which that. Udah ada which, ada that Pak. Ya, which. Ya. Capture-nya di sini, capture-nya itu di-capture atau meng-capture?
Capture.
Meng atau di? Aktif atau pasif?
Aktif.
Aktif ya Pak ya?
Yes.
Betul nggak? Oke, jadi capture-nya nggak usah pakai ed Pak, nggak usah pakai d. Iya. Mungkin s ya Pak ya? Ya, captures. Oke. Captures the photo. Ya, to the face layer. Finally, the photo can be taken in 60 seconds outside. Okay, outside the booth. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Bapak, I think you can get 6 Pak. Yeah, between 5.5 until 6 Pak. Yeah, so some of that's already good. You already put that. Hanya tadi urutannya mungkin akan lebih bagus if you can put that. Ya, yeah. Colors tadi. Oke, Pak Marzuki.
Okay, thank you, Miss, for the correction.
Yeah. Okay, Ibu, Bapak, do you want for me to, what is about the rest? I think this is a general comment from me. So I hope that my explanation is clear enough for you, and then this to improve in the next practice test. So again, there is no exact format, no exact menu atau exact formula, ya, tidak ada exact formula. But the most important one is try to understand in a seconds, gitu ya, dalam beberapa detik, the diagram, okay, and then think which I have to describe first, okay, and then when describing, don't describe in a random. Jangan describe-nya secara random, ya, but describe part by part. That will be easy, ya. So for example, like the photo booth, so describe whether you want to describe the inside part first or outside part first, gitu, ya. Kalau untuk saya sebelum masuk, pasti saya akan search bagian luar dulu kalau saya, gitu ya. So I will describe outer part dulu, gitu, ya. Soalnya untuk udah di dalam, ternyata ada di luar, saya keluar lagi, misalnya gitu ya. Enggak sih, ini logiknya saya aja sih. So I will describe the outer part first, okay, and I already know that, okay, and then I come to the inner part. Karena operatornya ternyata untuk fotonya kan ada di inner part, seperti itu. So that's for me, okay. So maybe different diagram will have a different way, yeah. But I think that is the way how we. So sometimes what make us confused is which one that we have to describe first. Ya, okay. Tadi saya hanya beri contoh aja. If the diagram is about describing a room, kalau saya mencarinya, saya masuk ke ruangannya dari mana ya? Oke, so I will start from the door. Kalau saya gitu, I will start from the entrance. And then after that, tergantung saya. I will look to the right side first or the left side first. It's up to you. And then I will finish the left side first or maybe the right side first. And then go to the other part. Jadi satu sisi dihabisin dulu, satu sisi dihabisin dulu. Ya, so that is easy for us, ya, to arrange, ya, to make the good order, ya, of our thinking. So that is my tips. That is my tips. I think try whether it is work or not, because everybody have their own, yeah. But this is just I show you the tips how to organize, yeah, to organize the idea, yeah, that which one come first and then. Okay, Bapak Ibu, yeah. Okay, I think that's all, Bapak Ibu. Sorry, so I think I take 15 minutes, yeah, for that. So I hope that in the next practice test, you will be more familiar, and then you can manage the time, and then you have a quick thinking, yeah, when looking to the pictures, yeah. This is the pictures, okay? So maybe that will be different when you look at the graph, and also a flow chart. So there is a different way. Okay, Bapak Ibu? Yeah, so maaf jika ada salah-salah kata ya, or some things that maybe make you confused, but that's all that I can give to you. Okay, so that's all. Be healthy, be happy, and keep the work up. Ya, selalu spirit. Okay, see you next week. Bye.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Thank you, Miss.